All right, guys, good morning. Good morning. Welcome aboard to the Morning Note. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of GAR Capital. It is Tuesday, May 23rd, 2023. Thanks for taking your time out of your day to join me this morning and every morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here on our YouTube channel. If you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button or the like button. Glad to have you on board. Let's go ahead and get started. No time to waste this morning. We got work to do. We started great this week. Got two trades off the rip. Our dollar yen long went up 50 points. We moved the stop. It hit this flat stop, so we didn't lose anything on there. But to the members who actually caught some points on dollar yen, nicely done. I'm still waiting on that 139 level to break. I just tweeted that level. Dow futures down about 71. NASDAQ up 62. Down 62. S&P down about 0.29%. Russell holding better than the rest. That's what we're looking at this morning. Remember when we talked about Russell yesterday? Crude oil up 1.26%, 72.96. Gasoline futures up nearly 2%, $2.58 a gallon. 10-year Treasury yields 3.751. Dollar is up again. Keep an eye on dollar yen. 103.61. Volatility index VIX still relatively low, 1768, up about 2.73%. Gold is down as well, 0.74%, 1962 an ounce. Euro dollar 107.66, down about 47 pips. Pound dollar down about 58, 123.80. Bitcoin and Ethereum are up today. So again, keep an eye on the crypto names. 27,320 for Bitcoin futures this morning and 1853 for Ethereum. Let's go to S&P 500 futures. Keep an eye here. Again, pretty much just chop, starting to get to short-term support. I expect us to bounce and get around 4,200. We should get to 4,200 SPX today if we get a little bit of a move. Tomorrow we do have Fed minutes, so maybe we get a pullback then. Got the gap here at 42.19. That's what we're looking for in SPX. Once that gap fills, maybe we'll get a little bit of a pullback, maybe play some puts, if anything, if the put-call ratios get a little more skewed. Yesterday we played Microsoft. Well done, team. That is up again this morning. We had the 325 calls, pretty much got out yesterday, right around the top at first thing in the morning, right around, I think it was at 322 level, about 10 a.m. yesterday. So we got out of those. I have a runner on Microsoft. They were upgraded by Jefferies this morning. So we'll keep an eye on Microsoft for any additional momentum. In terms of what the next target is, about 325 would be it. That seems to be that right level. Maybe we get above 323, we get another crack at it. We will see. Let's take a look at DraftKings. DraftKings was one we filled yesterday, pulled back. We got out right here at the highs. My runner got as high as 117. Keeping an eye on DraftKings, we're right now at 25. That's what we want to hold. If we can hold that 25 level and then bounce from there, I'd probably go long again and target the same range, 27, 28, like we talked about yesterday. DraftKings, what a move. Good catch. Taking a look at Russell 2000 futures, IWM. Remember, I talked about futures on that, but I just never got a fill. The target we're looking for is this gap fill, 181.14. We should get continuance, but as of right now, we're getting a little bit of a pullback, but you can see the Russell is doing better than tech today. So a little bit of rotation possibly, we will see. But as of right now, it's pretty much just choppy. Keep in mind, as we get closer to Friday, guys, Monday is Memorial Day weekend. It gets very, very quiet on Friday in terms of volume. So don't expect much in terms of market action. More than likely, the last two trades I have will probably be done for the week. And if anything, will probably be for next week expiry. But I'm not even so sure about that. I just want to get the two I have and call it a day in terms of the week. Palantir there was some news on Palantir this morning. I went ahead and sent that out on Twitter. We want to hold 11.5. I got in with this with Masterclass. We're holding it, and I'm really targeting. I have the 13 calls, but we did not signal that was for Masterclass since it's a little more risk. 1381 is our target. That's a gap fill on the daily. As long as you hold above 1145. If we get a little more to 1242, I may just maybe get back in and target the exact gap at 1350 calls. Maybe ladder that thing. We'll keep an eye. There is some momentum on Palantir. If you notice, guys, a lot of these high beta small cap names, they're the ones that are running, and they are part of the Russell. So again, let's see if the banks stabilize a little bit, and then we can play these meme names that have been absolutely obliterated last year. We can play them for a short squeeze bounce, but that's what's been working out, like a DraftKings, Palantir, Square, those have been working out pretty well. So we're going to keep an eye on those names as long as the volume is there. Teladoc, another high beta. Let's see it. 24.65, no movement pre-market. Need to get above at least 24.87. There is a gap to fill at 25.89. That wouldn't be a bad setup. But in terms of the daily, not a bunch. You need to get above the 20-day, 25.35. So let's say 25.35 would be the target. That's what you're looking for continued upside on Teladoc, since it does look like we are at some kind of support at 23.33. But I wouldn't touch it, to be honest. Other than that, guys, just more chop. That's all we're getting. What I'm looking at is dollar yen again. We can re-enter longs. 139 is the target level to get above. Once we do, we'll target 140 to 141. So if the options market does not give us an opportunity, we will search for it with Forex, or if not, futures. There's always something to do, something to look at. Not trade, but something to research. Big difference. All right, guys, we'll leave it there. Have a great rest of your morning. Let's make it a great one, just like we did yesterday. I will catch you guys tomorrow for the next morning note at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Cheers, guys. Have a good one.